All right, let's get started with a training video for these linear footwork patterns that we've been working on. This is going to be about an intermediate level that Raisa and I are going to take you through in the next 10 minutes or so. If this is a bit too advanced for you, then check out my website for the footwork training program so that you can start more at the base levels. And if this is a little easy for you and you're looking for more advanced versions, then stay tuned and check out more of the footwork as it comes through here. All right, so we're going to get started with our 4-count sagittal movements. This is forward, forward, back, back, and we're going to go about 30 seconds here with the left leg leading. Are we ready?
Ready.
Let's go. Forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back. We're going to be moving either laterally or forward and back on these lines, these linear lines, the whole video. That's why it's a bit more intermediate this go around. We're not staying stationary. And we're going to also move at our own pace here. For Raisa and I, we're probably taking things a little bit faster than you may need to get started. If you've never tried these before, we're going to switch lead legs here. So we'll break, right leg lead, same thing, ready, set, let's go. Right leg lead, forward, forward, back, back. This pattern, we're using the line in relation to our forward stepping, and we're clearing the line both in the forward and back steps. We'll do probably about 2 trips down these lines. It really doesn't matter how long of a line you have. We're using time as our guidance anyway, so that's about 30 seconds and 30 seconds. Right leg lead, left leg lead. Now we're going to turn on the line. Rice is going to turn facing you, and I'm going to turn this way. We're going to step out, out, in relation to the line. So we'll start again. Left leg lead, stepping away, away, in, out, out, in. Let's get it going. We're putting that little spring to our step. It helps us develop quicker feet, more powerful lower bodies. It also helps absorb force and reduce the impact in your joints. It's giving you a bit more of a rhythmic bouncing motion as you go through these stepping drills. We're going to get more cardiovascular work, okay? Now it's right leg lead. Out, out, in. Let's go. Again, 4-count pattern. Out, out, in. Want to hear that pitter patter? If you find that your feet don't do what they're supposed to do, just start it over. Start from the stationary position and begin again. Use those counts. Say them out loud if you need some help. Next, we're moving to a 3-count Kumia. This one we're also going to do moving forward and back. So we're going to straddle the line. The Kumia is a rotational exercise, stepping back or stepping forward. Let's do the forward Kumia first. So it's across and in front. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You can hear the count in the footwork pattern. Good. Forward Kumia step. All right, good. Let's reset. We're going to go backward Kumia step. It's basically a drop step. If you've played any sports, you've heard probably the term drop step here. It's a drop step to the same side of the line, and then back to your semi-squared up position. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Let's pick our pace up a little bit. Ideally, you want to try to stay on those toes the best you can. Not wanting to use flat feet here. Salsa now, the 3-count salsa movement. We're going to turn back to the opposite direction, facing 90 degrees the other way. And we're going to straddle the line. So our feet are going to come back to this position after our 3-count, or finish in this position after our 3-count for salsa. We'll start with, left leg forward, right leg back. Forward, right leg back. Then we come right back to that center line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. You can break in. You can even stay on that side of the line. It's fine. We're going to go right leg forward, left leg back. Ready, set, go. This is where the brain gets a little teased. May feel quite a bit unnatural if you haven't done this before. Or if you're a salsa dancer, this is the opposite of your salsa basics. So it totally feel wrong. As you advance, you may make this a little bit more smooth without the break in it. Still a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's all we'll stick there, or stick right there for now. Okay, moving into the grapevine, the karaoke. This one is going to move laterally. By nature, it's the only way that we can move. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 count, or technically it's an 8 count because we're going to double it up. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's keep it going. Another way to say this is 1 in front, 1 behind. 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 Keep it going. Not an easy one. Makes it, it looks a bit easier than it really is. Oh, I'm losing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 1, 2, 3. When coordination struggles, say those counts out loud. They'll really help you keep the rhythm and keep your feet moving in the right way. Finally is our other 3 count. This is the crossover run. Crossover run gets a bit more advanced. Take it at your own speed. We're going to start on one side of the line, not straddling the line. On one side of the line, we're going to end up crossing over the line with that back foot. We'll do our crossover run forward first, okay? So it's crossing the body forward. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Yep, crossing over forward, but moving backward. Not super easy. Good. Anytime that you feel like you've lost control and you can't find that cadence, that pace, that footwork pattern, that coordination, stop it and reset. Use your counts. Great job. Now backward crossover, moving forward and back. It's a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. In my training program online, we talk about hand movement. We talk about where your eyes and feet should be, where your shoulders should be, and more of the basics and foundation of this. Up. Yeah, cross it behind here. That's all right. Reset. That's exactly what we need to take a look at. When this becomes more complex, it makes your brain kind of go for a whirl. So we cross behind. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. There it is. Perfect. A little extra repetition on that backward crossover run. Great job, everyone. Keep it up, take it slow, take it at your own pace, speed it up, turn on some tunes, practice these 3 and 4 count linear footwork patterns. The more you do, the better it's going to translate to the physical changes, the coordination, central nervous system, brain health changes, as well as your ability to enjoy life and live life at a lower risk of falling or hurting yourself throughout your daily life.